In this video, we're going to be going over how to add a product link or tag a product on an Instagram post. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your Instagram and you're going to want to create your post like you would normally do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my account here and I'm going to click the little plus to create a new post. I'm going to click on post here and you'll see I get to choose my image. So let's pretend this is the product that I want to tag on my Instagram post. I'm going to click next once I choose my image or my video. I have a couple other options. I'm going to skip that and I'm going to click next again. And then from here, I can write my caption. So I just put my caption in here. When I'm all good with my caption, any of my other content or music, anything I'm putting on here, what I'm going to do is go to the very bottom where it says more options on here. I'm going to click into more options. And at the very top, you'll see something that says tag products. And if I click into that, I can click on the actual product and then I'm going to be able to search. I can save products if I have any saved on here. I can look at my purchase products. So let's just I'm just going to type in oil here just to see if there's something similar. Oil Studio, sure. And it will pull up all of their different products. So we'll just pretend this is the product that I want to tag. And you'll see where I clicked on the image, there will be a little product pop-up here. And then from here, all I'm going to do is click done and that product is now tagged, and you can always go in and add more products from there. But once I'm done with this, I can click the back button in the top left. That product will still be saved and tagged in there. And then from here, all I'm going to do is click share, or I can go into more options again and schedule this post. But that is how you can tag a product on here. And then when someone clicks on that product, it can take them to the link to it to actually go and purchase. So that's how you can tag a product or link to a product on an Instagram post.